What's up, welcome back to another video. Comment, share, subscribe. Now, from the title of the video, I had a lot of hope for this city. I always thought that people were exaggerating the fact that Nairobi is the streets. Turns out it's true. So a couple of days ago, I was in a mat with 3 girls at the back bench. No, I wasn't doing anything. And we all know the loud mouths in a matatu when everyone is quiet. I'm sure we have experienced something like that. So these girls were talking about a sherehe, a house party. So they were calling up guys to come for their party. One of them was talking about how he didn't want a lot of ladies in the party because, as I understand, a lot of her friends were girls. So she wanted a lot of guys at the party. Another one had a very interesting story. She was talking about Nigerian men hitting on her and coming over to her crib. She was talking about how she prepared lunch and the Nigerians promised to come with some booze. Just interesting stories. An interesting story I had from them was about this particular guy who was a serial player in campus and that the guy was getting married. So one of them was talking about wanting to disrupt the wedding because a lot of girls allegedly aborted for this guy. This guy was a serial player back in campus. Now he was getting married. More of the reasons to believe that this city is truly the streets. And that's just a segment of the results. I know there are some very crazy stories out here that have not been told. That's why I am slightly leaning to the fact that Nairobi truly is the streets. So, you know the drill. Likes and dislikes for the video. Comments in the comment section. If the content is work, please do not subscribe. Okay, files, and I'm out.